Hello, welcome back to another video on my channel. After my last tutorial many guys asked me how I did the snow effect for my final render, so today is a quick tutorial of how to create snowfall in Photoshop. But first, if you are new here, then please subscribe my channel, so you are always updated of my new upcoming videos. Well, back to Photoshop. Create a new empty layer. Go to Edit and click on Fill, keep it default at black and press OK. Now go to Filter, Noise, add noise, increase amount to 25. Switch distribution to Gaussian, but we can see color in the noise, and we want it black and white. Check monochromatic and our colored noise issue will be fixed, but the noise we have is too small and we now have to scale it. Go to Edit, Transform, click on Scale. While keeping the Maintain Aspect Ratio icon selected, increase the scale to 400. But if I press Ctrl T to activate Free Transform, we cannot see any transform handles. If I go to View now and select Fit to Screen, you can clearly see our black noise layer has scaled up a lot, and it will just slow down your workflow. To fix it, go to Select and select All, now go to Image and select Crop. And now if I press Ctrl T, you can see we do not have anything extra in our noise layer. Go to View again, then Fit to Screen. Right click on the noise layer, and convert to Smart Object. Switch Normal to Screen. Now go to Filter, Blur, select Motion Blur. Set angle to -65, and distance to 12. It created a smart filter for us, but we do not need it, so just right click and delete Smart Filter. Now back to Image, Adjustments, Levels. Bring the black and white sliders closer to each other, or you can use the same values I am using now. You can see that Levels didn't created another adjustment layer for itself, but it can now be used as the Smart Filter layer, and it can be edited again. Now duplicate the selected layer by right-clicking and then selecting Duplicate Layer. Or you can directly drag it to the new layer icon, and it will automatically create a duplicated layer for us. Now we have two layers of snow on top of each other. Go to Edit, Transform, then select Rotate 180 degrees. Now back to Filter, Pixelate, select Crystallize. Increase cell size to 20. You can use the cell size value from 10 to 20, it's totally your choice. Now it's the same process again. Use motion blur again, but this time increase the distance to 20. And now we will use levels again. Use the values 20 and 180 this time. And we are done. You can change the settings to your own liking as well by changing them in the Smart Filter layers. And if you want to learn more and missed my other tutorial of how to create soda cans in Blender, then you can click on the link above, or you can find it in the end of the video. Its link is also mentioned in the description as well. Well, that's it. Hope you liked this tutorial. If you did, then please like the video and subscribe my channel so you are always updated of my new upcoming videos. And if you want me to post more Photoshop tutorials as well, then let me know in the comment box. Well, this is all for today. See you next time. Take care till then.